Mr. Gadkari, there is no culture of safe driving in our country. Are stricter laws alone enough to make safer drivers?
The proposed Road Safety and Highway Bill 2014 will provide for regulation of motor vehicles, Road Safety and Traffic Management Authority, unified registration and driving license system, promoting public transport on the basis of electric, simplification of permit and clearances, and I am confident that now we are making the law of international standards like UK, like USA, Singapore, Japan, Germany, and already there was a think tank from World Bank. They contribute too much for making this act. On that basis, we will definitely give relief to the people of India by and large. In India now presently 30% bogus licenses are there. We have to improve the system. So now the driving test can be taken by the computer, not by any officer. So there will be full transparency is there, full transparency, corruption-free system and time-bound approach that can give the relief to the people by and large. And now it is not possible for anybody to manipulate and to take the license by manipulation. It cannot be possible. At the same time, as far as the pollution is concerned, it's a very big concern for the country because presently the carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide pollution is there. We want to encourage electric vehicles, biofuels, ethanol, biodiesel, biogas, hybrid vehicles, by which we can reduce the pollution. In ethanol, in biofuel, there is the emission of 95% of carbon monoxide, and that is a great relief. Electric, there is no pollution. So we want to encourage the new technology. And as far as the safety norms are concerned, either it is an economy model or a luxury model. We are going to implement our law strictly as far as safety norms are concerned to every vehicle because we want to save the life of the people by and large.
Sir, in the case of road accidents, bystanders often refuse to take victims to hospital because they worry about legal cases. Should laws be simplified to encourage good Samaritans to help those who need medical assistance?
You are absolutely correct. Now, presently, whenever an accident taking place, if anyone is going to help to the person, those who are affected, the police laws giving lot of troubles to them. So that no one want to help to them. So we are going to change this situation, this law. At the same time, we are very much cautious about the safety norms. Either it is the economy model or luxury model. We want to implement it. In present in the country, every year there are 5 lakh accidents and 1,50,000 deaths are there. Lot of people because of accident, they are facing lot of problems. Their total life is destroyed. So in a situation, we must have to give the highest priority for the safety of the people. And we are considering that. And the new system, there is a total e-governance is there. Everywhere in every square, there will be a camera and by which we can control the traffic. If anyone who violates the law, immediately we will get his image and we can take the action against him. So these are the good things here in the law by which definitely we are going to solve the problem. But ultimately I am also the road minister and road engineering is also a big problem. We are identifying the accidental spot. We are also responsible for that because somewhere because of the financial viability, somewhere we omit the underpass, somewhere we cancel the ROB, flyover. In a situation that is not the correct thing. And there are a lot of accidents have been taken place. So that's why we are improving the road engineering and we are improving the accidental spots. We are find out the reason why the accident taken place and we don't only blame to drivers. The engineering, road engineering, driver, the road, we have to take the all essential measures concerning all the factors of the accidents. So definitely our main interest is how we can protect the life of the people by and large. And that is the highest priority and we are very much sensitive about it and this act will definitely going to give the great relief to the people. And that's why I am very much confident that already we have discussed this act with the state ministers. We have received 18,000 suggestions from the people and now we give presentation to the Prime Minister and now we are going to the Parliament in the next session and I am confident all party will support this act.
Sir, a license alone does not guarantee safe driving. Should there be a system through which drivers are compulsorily retested? Just a suggestion.
We are going to form at least 10,000 driving training institutes in the country. We are giving them special facilities. At the same time, fitness certificate also can be given by the center. At the same time, our idea is to start some skill development courses related with the automobile industry, and that can give some economic viability to that centers, and that is our plan. And everything we want to make it of international standards. So I'm very much confident about it, that it can give relief to the people by and large.
So what about drivers' education? Should this be made a part of school curriculum?
I feel that the four important things, as far as this act is concerned, one is e-education, enforcement, engineering, and emergency. The education and all these four things which are very important, we want to use the e-system for that. So that can be a good option. And the important thing, already I have recommended to all this thing to the education minister of the different states, that in their textbooks, if they can take this all type of textbook, the particular lessons related with the road safety laws, and in their regional language, then it can be a good education for the small students. They can understand, and with this knowledge and training and understanding the thing from their lessons, definitely they will be a sensible citizens, and there will be no problem.